Hey dolls and gents, I am coming back to you guys with a hair installation and styling video. Today's unit is from Wow Ebony. I am rocking one of their 360 lace wigs. I will leave the style number down below for you guys. This is Indian Remy hair, 22 inches, and it's still in the natural color. I have a medium cap size and 150% density. I got this wig all the way together, y'all. I installed this wig and I tried a new method, and let's just say it was a freaking fail and I was getting really scared. I was like, I don't know. Can your girl not wear lace frontals anymore? Because the last lace frontal I installed, I had an issue with. And then when I was trying to apply this 360 wig, it was just a major fail. So I'm like, oh my goodness, like, am I so used to lace closure wigs now? Like, what is really good? Like, what's going on? But we got this baby all the way together. I'm going to show you how I installed this wig today, as well as cut the baby hairs and style this hair today. Like, I had no idea how I was really gonna style this hair, but I feel like it turned out really cute. If you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, definitely hit the subscribe button down below. Make sure all those notifications are turned on. Also, be sure to share my videos with all your friends. I would really appreciate it. This is my first day rocking this hair, so I've had minimal shedding, minimal tangling, but I will definitely rock this wig and let y'all know later on in the description box down below how I feel like a month or two from now. If you want to see how I went from wig cap to this right here, you know what to do. Stay tuned. Y'all, I'm seriously over here like laughing at myself because I just tried to install this wig using a new method and it was a complete fail. So I just cleaned my hairline with some alcohol so it's nice and clean. I also went ahead and cleaned the hairline of this wig. So let's just install it the way that I normally do. I did go ahead and apply my foundation to the underside of the lace. I used the Lancome Tint-E-Dole in the shade 520 Suede W. That's the foundation that I'm wearing today. This is the inside of the wig cap. I have 3 combs, and then there's also a 4th one in the back. There's an adjustable strap, and if you see these 2 tabs right here, these are actually meant for this elastic band to go in. I went ahead and took that off because I do want to go ahead and glue this down today. So I'm going to flip my head over, pop this hair back. I'm going to go ahead and use this comb in the very back to make sure that's nice and snug in the back. And then the front is kind of loose, but that's the way I like it when I'm going to go ahead and adhere it down. So next we're gonna go ahead and start spraying the hairline down with the Got2b spray. And I just like to fan it with my hands. I don't like to blow dry it because it gets it a little bit too dry, but I want it to be kind of wet so that it sticks. So next I'm gonna take my comb and just place it onto the Got2b spray and massage it in. Next, I'm gonna do the same on this side right here. I'm gonna take my blow dryer on a cool setting. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut baby hairs on this ear tab with this eyebrow razor. So I'm gonna do the exact same thing on this side. So next I'm gonna go ahead and create some baby hairs. So the parting space on this wig is really nice. Can part it wherever you want on the 360 frontal. I don't know if I want to do a side or a middle parting. I think I'll do probably a side. This is the natural curl pattern of the hair. I'm gonna leave it like this, but I do want to do a side parting. So I'm gonna grab my curling wand and I'll be right back. So next I'm gonna take my curling wand. You could also use a hot comb, and I'm gonna use this just to make that parting more defined. And I'm gonna go ahead and throw some quick curls in this hair with this curling wand. Then I'm gonna do the same on this side. Really quick curls, y'all. Like I'm literally just grabbing random pieces and curling. I'm curling away from my face.
Yeah, hundreds on my bed, texting with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks and racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. Hundreds on my bed, texting with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks and racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. I'm on my bling bling song, yeah. I could do this all day long now. I don't know where I belong now. Tell me where it all went wrong now. Yeah, oh no, no, oh please don't go. I got shows, I'm on the road. I'm headed home, where that at? I don't know, but all these flows make me mad. I got a cold, and what's my goal? To be or not to be, that to be. Making up my mind while I'm puffing on that doobie. When I'm on my own, can't stop thinking about my roomies. Please don't call my phone, can't you see I'm with the...
Next, I'm gonna take a little bit of this hairspray and spray this parting. Then I'm gonna take the curling one again and just go over that. I cannot stand flyaways, y'all. So those babies have to be gone. So I think we got this wig together. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. If you're interested in checking out this unit from Wow Ebony, I will have a link down below in the description box for you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will catch y'all in my next one. Bye.